Hello and welcome to Kurdnation News. We're here with a few short headlines on Kurdnation channel. Please note that this program is currently in its trial phase. Ashtiyako Pourkarim, leader of the Kurdistan independence movement, issued a Christmas and New Year message, congratulating Christians in Kurdistan and around the world. He wished them a year of peace, hope, and dignity, and expressed hope that 2026 will become a year of freedom and independence for occupied nations, especially Kurdistan. On Saturday, the 6th of December 2025, a seminar was held in Düsseldorf, Germany, on human rights and the situation of occupied nations within Iran's political geography. The event was organized by the Free Balochistan movement and emphasized solidarity and cooperation among these nations. Masoud Pajouhi, a leadership member of the Kurdistan independence movement, attended and delivered a message on behalf of the movement.
بلکه باید در راستای ایجاد دولت ملت کردی و دولت ملت بلوچی گام برداریم.
At the conference, 100 Years of the Nation-State in Iran, From Monopoly to Multinational Democracy in Stockholm, the Kurdistan independence movement delivered an official message through Sirwan Karimi, a member of its executive committee. The statement argued that lasting democracy requires recognizing self-determination for non-Persian nations, including the option of independence, and called for equal dialogue and international mechanisms, such as monitored referendums.
در چنین چارچوبی دموکراسی واقعی برای همه مردمان بدون به رسمیت شناختن حق جدایی و استقلال برای ملت‌های غیر فارس ناممکن است.
In Birmingham, the United Kingdom, a public forum was held in honor of Ashtiyako Pourkarim, leader of the Kurdistan independence movement. Organized by the Kurdish Intellectuals Organization, the event, titled Independence, Nation-State, and the Future of the Middle East, featured discussions on independence, the role of nation-states, and the region's future.
ئایا لە هەر کوردێکی خاوەن ویژدان نەتەوەیی و نیشتیمانی بپرسی بەڕاستی کورد و تورک و عەرەب و فارس دەبنەبرا؟
A meeting at the UK Parliament brought together Kurdish, Ahwazi Arab, and Baloch representatives. Ashtiyako Pourkarim, leader of the Kurdistan independence movement, attended with Goran Dashti and spoke on Kurdistan's independence and a new vision for the Middle East, including a Kurdish state. MPs, including Lord Johnson and Alistair, joined Ahwazi and Baloch leaders, and Pourkarim's remarks were warmly received.
ڕۆژهەڵاتی نێوەڕاستی نوێ ڕۆژهەڵاتی نێوەڕاستی دوای ئێرانە کە گەلانی ئازاد شان بە شانی یەکتر و بە هاوبەشی لەگەڵ ئوروپا و بریتانیا خەریکی بنیاتنانی نەزمێکی نوێی جیهانی کە هیچ نەتەوەیەک ناچار نییە لە سنووری ئیمپراتوریەتێکی کۆن و داگیرکەر و دیکتاتۆریدا بەبەندکراوی بمێنێت.
That was the news from Kurdnation. Thank you for watching. Have a great day and goodbye.